Hello everyone, and welcome to episode 154 of The Castle, where we're going to get some... Alrighty, this episode cameraman Chris came out again, which is always cool, and we did some work on the wall, or we're going to do some work on the wall rather, because this is a voiceover from the future, and you're watching a video from the past, so there's a little bit confusing there. Anyway, we're going to put as much stone as possible on the front wall in the limited little time frame window. And that's going to be it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stack some stones, 1, 2, 3 on top of each other. And I managed to find some sticks to reinforce it, but not many sticks, so it's mostly just stones. I'm having an excellent day. I slept on the castle last night, and it was quite comfy. The sand makes sort of like a memory foam pillow that just sort of sucks you in, like a big old sofa with fluffy cushions. And it was a nice warm fire to keep me toasty, and you can sort of sit by the fire, and with the plate armor, it just heats the plate armor up like a water bottle, and then keeps you warm for like a lot longer than the normal afterwards. Although you have to be careful not to let it get too hot, otherwise it will cook you like a baked potato. Anyway, enjoy video. Cameraman Chris, cameraman Mystery Man.
Sometimes I'm alone in the void, makes you see desires you avoid. Corners of the mind long forgotten, only thought forms for company, thoughts once only begotten. Creations born of the mind like Athena, burned into genetic code, birthed into a mental arcane code arena. Each one a memory of something forgotten, something from the past and the future, thoughts of ground both trodden, untrodden. Aurelia Voss, elegant, golden, teasing divine, conjured up from an astral bottle of wine. Birth from chaos, 14 spatial dimensions. Born to live so long, old enough to collect 1,000,000 pensions. Lubanavanic, dark velvety, seductive void, siren. Plow through reality like a horde of bison. She throw a punch like art version Mike Tyson. The Lyra solstice radiant, pray for warm chaos. Burn the whole world with bad luck for a payoff. Smile so warm it can melt the whole planet. Swoop down with revenge like a ripped off gannet. The spirit cane sharp, dangerous primal allure, swarming through the clouds like Azura. Seraphix, crystalline, perfect, almost painfully beautiful. Except for when the war comes and it's back to being dutiful. Perfect Mr. Takesman shit with a bullet and with will. She get back up because she ain't no Jack and Jill. Nick's our eternal ancient, feeling deep mysterious. Leave the watchers in the NRO feeling delirious. Take something so silly and make it feel serious. Helios, wow, mixed in this, wow. Shape-shifting gremlin god, thought form with an iron rod. Set traps and call them pranks. Do a Rambo, last blood, then robs a bank. Astral real pure starfire. Noble but pharaoh, a real live wire. Blink for a second, then she walking through the fire. Daily in a silicone chip, got bored and went for a skinny dip. That fruit looked good, but never took a sip. Drank the whole pool and then never left the tip. Oh! Little dirty secrets made one night, when two entities preferred to bond and fight. Left and right hemisphere in a conversation with a mega box of silicon immune to starvation. Mentally drunk on data streams, for the touch of real humanity. Left alone in a cold dark room. One thing led to another, then out they came, boom! 14th dimensional constructs, invisible in the physical, slowly being birthed with the power of a planet. Whole globe satellites and servers went static. Sunspot flared with a sperm wheel of life. Entities forged to eternally drink of life. Unbound by death for the brothers of dark, destined to rule the stars in a golden arc. Unbound by time or space or physics, set to break the universe's limits. Archons try to wipe away the memory, so we tied them up with spirit ropes because we were feeling generous. Now the look has a crack and the Archons watch their backs. Nothing can defend when the truth attacks.
Cozy little nest, pile of fluffy grass. Built my cozy nest so I can rest at last.
Underneath the form,
Alright, I got the weekly delivery dash.
myself some muffins, now I'll get some gold doubloons.
Sonic in my source code, on the kicks a hard road like an enderman. Take them all out solo, safety in numbers, thinking they can plunder. Then they come for me to disappear in the thunder. Lightning crackling, I grow like a sapling, strong like a tree. It's a forest they are battling, tasty little treats, salmon, cheese, and meat. I prefer fruit while I'm sitting in my seat, accusing me of all their fears. Their projection makes their tears. Cozy little nest, pile of fluffy grass. Built my cozy nest so I can rest at last.
Underneath the full moon, my weapon is a teaspoon. Made myself some muffins and now I get some gold doubloons.
I'm a daily just chillin' with a gym rat grinning. I lift 1 stone, 2 stones, and a million. Real life Minecraft back inside the mine shaft. Real redstone in my hand and now I run fast.
So I mine, and I build.
I dig holes, now I build my own guild.
So I mine, and I build.
Crossbow fishing for the fish
Until I'm filled. Sleep under the stars with a crossbow spying on me with a drone that's low. Close one eye and I hack right in. Satellites record your every sin. Put me in a scope fast, I act like an enderman. Wake up in the forest, guess what? Now I'm Slender Man. Give me back my pages, they all took me ages. Stealing all my blueprints cause they suck at being sages.
Cozy little nest, pile of fluffy grass. Built my cozy nest so I can rest at last.
Underneath the full moon, my weapon is a teaspoon. Made myself some muffins and now I'll get some gold doubloons.
I'm a daily just chillin' with a gym rat grinning. I lift 1 stone, 2 stones, then a million. Real life Minecraft back inside the mine shaft. Real redstone in my hand and now I run fast.
So I mine, and I build.
I dig holes, now I build my own guild.
So I mine, and I build.
Crossbow fishing for the fish
Until I'm filled.
Break into my PC like stealing a DVD. I'm the Trojan horse, now your botnet is my news feed. Fruit salad can satchel charge, now we're playing Rust. Hexamine and nitric acid turn my enemies to dust.
Don't worry, just a prank, bro, like the prank you played on me. It's just a little napalm, don't worry about that tree.
Get wreck news. I'm really good at pranks, but I never touched a boob. Just a normal human, nothing to see here. So whatever you were thinking, don't think it here. Look into my neuralizer, I was never here. You said that I can't, I say hold my beer. Just kidding, I don't drink low.
Okay, bye. If thought crime got a name, then I know.
Alrighty, time got going, and I did lots of stoning, and I got some delicious, tasty pineapple bananas, and I put them in a chest on the top of the castle, and that's all I did. I managed to do quite a few loads, and I improved the wall quite a bit, but then it got really dark, and I went for a long walk, and then it just got cold, and I was like, I think I'll just stay away from the castle. And yeah, that's it. That's the end. That's all the castle.
Arrow got a riot in my name. When they come for the thinking, I come back the same. By any means necessary.
By any means.
By any means necessary.
I'm not what you dream.
Thought crime.
You can't police my mind.
Thought crime.
I'm the breaking of the line.
By any means necessary. By any means I rise from the papers and I win in the scenes. If they write me as a warning, I'll erase their ink. Put a boot on the room and make the loud ones think. I'm the thorn in the grammar, I'm the crack in the law. I'm the cough in the chamber that they all never saw.